So I'm out here at Arncliffe today, Sydney South, and we've got a customer here that's going over to fibre to the premises. NBN came out here a couple of weeks ago, basically said that they've got a pit here. Everything's concrete here, right? So there's the pit, and they've got to come from that pit into the property. The customer got us to come out to quote how to get it out, because NBN is going to just put it along this wall, and then they were just going to basically drill through here, come onto this side of the fence, and then drill through, which is their shed, their garage here, and then go into there and just put the NBN box in there. They didn't want to do it, so we're doing a pre-installation prep. We do tons of these at the moment. We've got about 5 or 6 coming up in the next couple of weeks. But basically what we do is we will put a new fibre in for them, and we'll put it into the location where they actually want to get the box to go. So today, we've got our conduit. So basically they've got a nice white under part there from the balcony. So we've just put it up top here, so you can't even see it, really. It's like unnoticeable, and then we've brought it around in there, and then we go through into the office space, which is upstairs, which is where they want it. Now NBN won't do that. Generally they'll put it within 1.8 metres from where they're going to put the box externally, and they've told the customer they're going to put the box just here. So yeah, today I've been doing this. So we just have it all coiled up, ready for NBN. So all the people basically come and do, plug it in. It makes them happy, makes the customer happy, and everybody's happy. So yeah, the easier you can make it for the NBN guys when they show up, then at least this way, you'll get what you want. You're not going to be arguing. So yeah, if this is something you're interested in, you've got fibre to the premises upgrade happening, and you want to get it in the spot where you want to get it, then give us a buzz and we can come and do it for you. All right. Links will be in the description for our services, so you can get in contact with us. Right. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.